5 surprising signs your child's gut health is in trouble and how to fix it. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're discussing an important topic that's often overlooked, your child's gut health. We'll be diving into 5 surprising signs that their gut health might be struggling. You see, many people don't realize that gut health impacts so much more than just digestion. It plays a crucial role in your child's overall well-being, from their immunity to their mood. Stay tuned to learn how to identify these signs and what you can do to improve your child's gut health. It's simpler than you think, and the benefits are immense. Let's start with the most obvious sign: abdominal discomfort. If your child frequently complains about tummy aches, it's easy to dismiss it as just a passing thing. But if it's happening often, it's worth paying attention to. Think about it. Our gut is responsible for breaking down food and absorbing nutrients. When it's not functioning optimally, it can lead to a whole host of digestive issues. We're talking bloating, gas, constipation, and even diarrhea. These symptoms can really disrupt your child's day-to-day life. Imagine them trying to focus in school or enjoy playtime when they're feeling uncomfortable and bloated. It's heartbreaking. Now, I'm not saying that every tummy ache is a sign of a serious gut problem, but if you're noticing a pattern of these symptoms, it's definitely worth investigating further. Remember, addressing gut issues early on can prevent more significant problems down the line. So, trust your gut feeling, literally. This next sign might surprise you: mood swings. You might be wondering, what does mood have to do with the gut? Well, it turns out, a lot. There's a powerful connection between the gut and the brain, often referred to as the gut-brain axis. The bacteria in our gut can communicate with our brain, influencing our mood and behavior. When gut bacteria are out of balance, it can cause irritability, mood swings, and anxiety. Notice your child getting cranky after eating certain foods? That could be their gut reacting negatively, impacting their mood. It's like a domino effect. Studies show a strong link between gut health and mental health, so consider gut health if your child has frequent mood swings. Chapter 3. Fatigue. When your child's energy is drained. Persistent fatigue can be a surprising sign of gut trouble. Kids usually have boundless energy, right? If your child is constantly tired, something might be off. Gut health could be the culprit. The gut breaks down food and absorbs nutrients. Poor gut function leads to nutrient deficiencies. Without essential vitamins and minerals, energy levels drop. It's like running a car without enough fuel. The same goes for our bodies. Without proper nutrients, we feel sluggish and fatigued. Fatigue with other gut issues is a red flag. Chapter 4. Weight fluctuations and gut health imbalances. Now let's talk about weight, a sensitive topic for many, but an important one to address. Unexplained weight changes, whether it's weight gain or weight loss, can be a sign of an imbalance in gut bacteria. You see, the bacteria in our gut play a crucial role in metabolism and how our body utilizes and stores energy. When there's an imbalance in these bacteria, it can affect how our body processes food and can even impact our metabolism. For instance, an overgrowth of certain bacteria has been linked to weight gain, while a lack of other beneficial bacteria can hinder proper nutrient absorption and potentially lead to weight loss. It's like having a team of tiny workers in your gut, and when the team isn't balanced, it throws everything off. So if you notice your child experiencing sudden or unexplained changes in their weight, it's crucial to consider their gut health. Chapter 5. Allergies, sensitivities, and the gut's role. This last sign might surprise you: allergies and food sensitivities. Now, you might think allergies are an immune system issue, and you're right, they are. But what you might not know is that the gut plays a significant role in our immune system. In fact, a large portion of our immune system is actually located in the gut. It acts as a barrier, protecting us from harmful substances. However, when the gut lining is compromised or inflamed, it can become more permeable. This means that undigested food particles can leak through the gut lining and enter the bloodstream, triggering an immune response. This is often what happens in cases of food sensitivities or allergies. So if your child has suddenly developed new allergies or sensitivities, it could be a sign that their gut health needs some attention. Outrow, taking care of your child's gut health. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and advice. We've covered a lot today, but remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the signs and taking steps to improve your child's gut health, you're setting them up for a healthier and happier life. Remember, a healthy gut is crucial for your child's overall well-being. Take care and see you in the next video.
Don't miss out on the latest tips to boost your health and well-being. Subscribe to Living Healthy today and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. Found this helpful? Share it with someone who could benefit too. And check the comments for a link to trusted health supplements that can support your journey to a healthier life.